Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was about to remove my makeup and I thought why not sit down and talk about this new set of skincare products which I have been using more than 1.5 months, because yes, I remember getting these products before I tested COVID positive, and I started using it and I'm still using it. So one of the product is about to get over. I knew it and I thought before it gets completely over, why not just sit down and talk about these very cute little products by Mom & Co. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. So I did receive all of these 3 products in the PR, and I could have reviewed this product long time back, but due to my health situation I couldn't. Now this, I would say this is my, I think, second time I have used Mom & Co product. Isse pehle I did use their body lotion when I delivered, and I remember having good memories with it. I really liked it. I went ahead and repurchased it. So yes, as like, you know, first impression, it has left a good impression on me, and I was really excited about this PR when I received, because it has 3 products: a cleanser, a toner and a moisturizer. You know, I am very skeptical on toners, but cleanser and moisturizer I was extremely excited because I really wanted to try it. Now this whole range, this is how the Mom & Co natural Weta range would come. I think most of their product packaging is somewhat like this. I really like the packaging in all the products because it comes in a very nice plastic body with a pump style. You can lock it, you can open it, and even the pricing on the product is minimalist. It's not overly priced, neither it is inexpensive, I would say. If I talk about this cleanser itself, it is going to cost you rupees 348 rupees, which is a good pricing for 100 ml of product. Now the whole range, the toner and the moisturizer, the whole range is basically more of a gentle cleanser, gentle toner and a nice subtle moisturizer, which is going to give you hydration. And all of these 3 products are enriched with vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid, and the whole purpose, this whole range is basically giving you more of a revived and hydrated skin. Now talking about the cleanser, it is definitely one of the mildest cleansers I have after Dermafic, which I have used. This is definitely one of the gentle cleansers I've used. All the 3 products are free from fragrance. At least I could not sniff any kind of artificial fragrance from any of the products. So first, why not just cleanse the face? So I'm going to be taking, okay, now I closed it. So this is something which I get always confused. So I'm going to be taking like a generous amount because it's very gentle. So I need like a lot, and then I'm just going to lock it. And this is something which I really like about pump cleansers, when you can lock it, because then it is easy to travel with. Obviously not the right time to travel with cleansers or anything outside, but just a point. So what I'm going to do is just cleanse my face. Obviously I should have removed my makeup with something, but I did not wear foundation and all. I just applied a lipstick, a little kajal and eyebrow pencil, and you can see this product doesn't have a lot of foam going on. So I will put some water, wash my face and come back and show you how my face looks. So this is how my face looks after the wash. I did not wipe my face because I wanted to show you how much it can remove. It is very gentle, but it can remove your matte lipstick, it can remove your eyebrow pencil, it can remove a lot from your face. Even a light foundation it can remove. So that's a very good thing, because a lot of cleansers don't do that and it gets a little messy. So yes, this cleanser is gentle, but it has a lot of other good properties which can give you a nice clearer skin. Why not just tone up the skin, use a little bit of toner and talk further. Now this is how the natural daily face toner with vitamin C and niacinamide would come. The packaging on this one is like you have to drop it on a cotton pad, you can use it. I avoid using a cotton pad because I feel it's unnecessary. You can just take it on your hands and just directly dump it on your skin and you're good to go. Now it is alcohol free. What basically a toner would do, I just washed my face. So So I have to balance the pH level of my skin. A toner helps doing that. Secondly, a toner basically tightens off your open pores which you accidentally open while cleansing or scrubbing your face. That is why toner is one of the important steps. And yes, a toner, if you apply it regularly, will give you more of an even skin tone. So just take a little bit on your hand. It's just like water, and I'm just going to do this. Certain products you're not supposed to massage on your skin, you just have to dampen it and you're done. Again, this product doesn't have any kind of scent or fragrance since it has vitamin C into it, but it doesn't have that strong scent to it. Now you will not feel drying, as well as you will feel that you just gave a little food to your skin. Now talking about this particular toner, I did not face any kind of issues with it. I did not feel overhydrated. I did not get any kind of bumps or zits, and for some reason, from the longest time, I stopped using toner and I did start using another one, but I feel this one, quite surprisingly, I like it for my skin because it is very calming, and it is, as said, it is very gentle on the skin, so it has not given me any kind of irritations, and I really like it on my skin. Let's move on to the last step, moisturization. Now this is how the Mom's Co Natural Weta Rich Face Cream with, again, ingredients I've already told you. It will help you to work on your pigmentation. It is more of an anti-pigmentation moisturizer which will give you even skin tone. It has more other ingredients like hyaluronic acid, chia seed, arbutin, which is really good for pigmented skin, and yes, it has vitamin C as well in it. Basically, this moisturizer also comes in a very nice packaging, a pump style. So I'm just going to shake the bottle a bit and just take like a lot. I take like 3 to 4 pumps because I like to apply all over my face as well as my neck. Moisturizer, I would highly recommend to massage a bit on your skin, and just don't do this. Doesn't work. And since it is gentle, you can even apply it all over your eyes. For your information, I'm filming in natural daylight, no artificial light, so that you can see my skin very clearly. So I just zoomed you in a bit just to show my skin how it looks. Now this is how my skin looks after moisturizing. It is not creasy, it is not heavy, best suited for all skin type, and I would say it will definitely work wonderful on sensitive skin because it is so gentle in nature that you would not feel heavy or your pores would not feel clogged. If you're into your aging, you can include this product, but do not expect too much out of this range because, as I said, it is a very simple and a very basic skincare which is meant for people who do not have a lot going on to their skin. But if you want to include a skincare product which is gentle and you want to keep your skin in a more of a hydrating nature, or just work on your small skin issues, then this skincare is made for you. All in all, I see myself using it, and I see myself repurchasing 2 of the products, that is definitely the cleanser and the moisturizer. I hope you loved watching this small mini skincare review cum skincare routine, but I would highly recommend you to try Mom's & Co skincare line because, as I said in the past also, I have loved their products and I was really excited about this one, and I'm really happy using these products because they work absolutely wonderful on this skin as well as in this weather. So it is fully approved. All the links will be linked in my description. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can actually buy the whole set. It will be much cheaper on Nykaa. And yes, the link which I provide in my description, they are affiliate links. So if you happen to purchase anything clicking onto that link within 24 hours, I end up making a small commission, and I'm really thankful for that. So consider clicking on that link and buying a product for yourself. I will be here soon with some more skincare products, some more makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrunzinG. Till then, you take care and ta-da!